Yep, guys, Tebogo Mashiko is back, guys. First of all, he said that he'd like to apologize to everyone, more especially his fans, guys, for misbehaving, guys. And he also showed some words of appreciation to his fans, guys. So the king is back, guys. Here's Tebogo Mashiko sharing the important message with his fans and all the people who supported him, guys.
Ya ba feteng fa la jima ba feteng jipa wa manyeki no so feteng difene tsa gane ke tora toro khopela ntshwarelo go misbehave ka letsolo re dira hetse Nigeria re tshwareleng ene mo ke ra difene tsa ka fela la bona ka lelemela diripi angere ne hololo ke ala la ba feteng match marato modimo teng wa phela a re rapeleng thank you ba ba lempeleng mo dithapelong ba feteng la mpona ka phela ne bo no everything ke re le miriri ne hololo ke ala la 69 e re mpu a shira wa tlise phumbi fela jipa wa tlo batse ifana tsa ka rata ka bo ifana tsa ka banking phone dola ke la rata masifa ba fe lolo ke ana bango.
I don't know what your take on this one, guys, but you can leave your thoughts down in the comment section below. I love to hear from you guys. Once again, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share with other people who like to know this news, guys. And once again, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.